Check it out, Pyros. Got the Boom Wow Fireworks Pyro Alienware 12 shells. Did you make a 24 shell kit? We just picked up this 12 to do a demo. Try them out. Boom Wow, some really good stuff. It's one of the premium brands you can get. They're sold in a lot of countries all over the world. They started getting available around where we're at, so premium quality. There's a little tag so you can watch them. Love that artwork on this box. I have opened these. I put a couple on the scale. They come out to be about 120 to 130 grams. You know, again, everybody says that don't really matter, but generally I say the heavier the shell, the more bang for your buck. So, but that it's not saying that these ain't gonna be any good, because I know these are gonna be pretty damn good. There's your sleeve art on there. Some effects on here. There's one really interesting one, if I can find it. Purple coconut and gold plum. What's gold plum? Must be like a gold lace effect, probably. So then there's silver plum. I've never heard that description on a shell, so it's kind of interesting to see. Here we got plastic tops with them foil circles on there. I have seen, I think Red Apple has some shells like that. So hopefully if these are any good, we can get some more. Put them in a show or something. But effects on here. Blood red and green and blue. Red glitter. There's some more gold plum. You know, red plum. Got one crackling there on the end. So these look like some really good effects. You know, like I said, Boom Wow. It's had really good stuff, really premium line stuff. So these shells should be no different. We're gonna put these in the 420 rack right there, 12 shot. Lace them up with some Bisco and see what they're all about. Alright guys, I got these in the rack here, getting ready to fuse them up. I thought I'd show you the tube it came in. Check how badass that is. Fuck yeah. Nice fiberglass tube. Looks pretty quality all the way around. Really like that tube though, that's pretty sweet. Look good on the shelf with all the other ones. So, alright guys, got the Pyro Alienware by Boom Wow. Check it out. We got all 12 of these Boom Wow Alienware shells. Got them in the PB420 with some Visco. Let's hit it.
Thanks for watching 319 Pyros. Have a good night.
Got the Boom Wow Fireworks Pyro Alienware. Shit. Let me do that.